Does anybody feel a breeze? What's going on? My bowl makes a funny noise.
Stop.
Mac and cheese. Yum, yum. It's so
And like as soon as I hit it, turn it off.